Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Douye Diri has appealed to members representing Bayelsa federal constituencies and senatorial districts in the National Assembly to work closely with the state and federal governments to attract development to that state. Senator Diri made the appeal at a low-key reception of the federal lawmakers in AKUGHA, the Bayelsa state capital, where he also prayed for the repose of the souls of supporters of Bayelsa Queens who died in an auto crash recently in Delta State.
Having been issued their certificates of return, federal lawmakers in Bayelsa State, comprising representatives of 5 federal constituencies and 3 senatorial districts, all elected on the platform of the ruling People's Democratic Party (PDP), were hosted recently by Governor Douye Diri. During their reception, the governor told members of the National Assembly that it was incumbent on them to attract development to the state to better the lives of their constituents.
Your duty is to work in synergy with the government of the state, the federal government, to attract development to Bayelsa State.
What was supposed to be a grand reception to celebrate the total victory of the PDP in the February 25, 2023 National Assembly elections, however, turned out to be a low-key event as it coincided with a period of mourning for Bayelsa State. The state had lost 4 youths belonging to the Bayelsa Queen Supporters Club and other Bayelsans who were on their way to cheer up their team at the just concluded finals of the Nigerian Women's Football League. They were said to have met their tragic end in an auto crash at Kwale in Ndokwa West local government area of Delta State. Governor Diri, who described the incident as a sad loss for Bayelsa State, prayed for the repose of their souls.
None of us anticipated that the past Sunday will become a black Sunday for us as Ijaw people and for us from Bayelsa State. We lost our very promising youths who supported the state-owned football Bayelsa Queens on their way to play the female football league finals at Asaba. And so I can understand that the enthusiasm is not as much as we had expected. Well, our people will say that if we lose somebody in the river, we'll still use the water to wash the cups.
Bayelsa is in a state of mourning. Nevertheless, it must prepare for its forthcoming governorship election scheduled to hold on November 11, 2023. Former Deputy Governor of the state, Rear Admiral Jonah Gboribioha, retired, reminded members of the National Assembly to get ready to work for the re-election of Governor Douye Diri.
For the elected senators and House members, you are not going for a tea party. You must assist the governor. We have to support him to succeed. As I've always said, the governor succeeds and all of us have succeeded.
According to member representing Sagbama Ekeremo Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, Honorable Fred Agbedi, and his Southern Ijaw Federal Constituency counterpart, Honorable Rodney Ambaowe, Bayelsans can be rest assured of victory for the PDP in the forthcoming governorship election.
You don't need a soothsayer to tell you. It is very clear that come November, we will get the governorship election with ease. Come to Southern Ijaw, 100 over 100. Go to even Brass, 100 over 100. Nebe, 100 over 100. Sagbama, 100 over 100. Yenagwa, 100 over 100. Kolokmo Pokmo, 100 over 100 for our miracle governor.
PDP in Bayelsa is ready to deliver the governor for a second term in office. We continue to support him, mobilize Bayelsans to vote massively for the PDP, which is the only party in Africa.
Since his inauguration as the 5th civilian governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Douye Diri has embarked on several projects and programs to positively affect the lives of Bayelsans. For the miracle governor, his re-election bid is a matter of one good turn deserves another.
Inside the Niger Delta,